Hi viewers and dear students, I'm here today to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2017 May-June paper 31 webpage part. So in this part of the question paper, before we proceed with the webpage part, we need to prepare our evidence document to have our screenshots and evidences over there. So we'll open the file called J1731 evidence, and then we'll prepare it for our evidences. So I will go to the folder on the desktop here. This is the folder, and we'll open this file, and then after we'll just include the information like our name, center number, candidate number in the header or footer. So it is in the header actually. So we'll just click on header, and then we'll click on any one of these. So I'm just going to click on blank 3 columns. So here I can have the name, here center number, and here candidate number. Done. Now we'll click on file and save this document as, click on browse, and then just click on here the name, and then type the name as a Word document and just click on save. So when you click on save, next step you need to continue with the web page. They said you work for Tawara Web and are going to help some trainees develop web pages to teach students about website authoring. So you need to create a folder called HTML_1731. So we'll create a folder here on the desktop, and then we'll name it as they mentioned. And next step what we need to do is we need to copy these files, 3 files, and paste it into that folder. So we'll copy them, just copy, and then go to desktop and save it into the folder just like that. And then next step they have mentioned here, open the file 1731 san1.png in a suitable application and resize the image to 704 into 528 pixels. So 407 is the width and 528 is the height. So we'll open this file by right clicking, and we'll open this file in the photo editor. So it's not something very advanced to do with the picture. We just need to resize. So we click here on the Office Picture Manager. So the picture is here, and then click on Edit Picture, and then click on Resize and mention the width and height 704 and 528. Then just click on OK. So that is the original new size. And now save this image as san2, and just click on save. And next step is to do what? After that you need to crop the image. You need to remove the right of the image 230 pixel wide. So you need to crop it so it is left only 230 pixel from right. So we'll click on edit picture, and then crop, and then start cropping from right side. When it only 230 pixel remaining, then you just leave it. So here you can see it is 231. So if I click here and I write here 4, now it is exactly 230. Click on OK and save this file as with the name san3. Save it. So as they have mentioned here, you need to save the file. After that you need to proceed with the step number 3. They mention here, display the content of your folder HTML underscore 1731 folder showing the folder name, image dimension, all file name, extension and file size, and take the screenshot and save into your evidence document as evidence 1. So it is the file, just click on view, then click on contents here, so all the information can be seen. Now print screen and go to your evidence document and paste here your evidence 1. Now you just crop it so that the details can be clearly seen. In this case, just like that. Next step is to evaluate in your own words other changes that you would make to the image to make it more suitable for the web page. So definitely, first of all, this image is a PNG. It need to be changed to JPG, and also this image is having 16-bit per channel resolution. We need to reduce it. Just to check this one, I'm going to open this one with the Photoshop, so you will see that it is a high resolution. Otherwise, we just mention here to reduce the depth of the picture. So I'm just going to type here color depth, okay, can be changed to 8 bits per channel from 16 bits per channel. That is one. And then after reduce storage space and image transmission time by saving in .gif format or by saving in .jpg format, and I'll also save it as .jpeg with lower resolution. That's all. Now next step is step number 5, that to create a web page called 1731 links. So we'll open here the front page program and we'll save a web page with the name 1713. So click on design and save this one with the name links 1731, and you will go to the folder. Here it is, and just save it. Once it is done, what you need to do is you need to create a folder, but you must check these things. Text shown in bold must be entered on your web page, this one, and then after the text in italic instructed you to do so, and then the text in the chevrons need to be changed according to the question. First of all, you need a table with 4 rows and 3 columns. So table, insert table, 4 rows and 3 columns with nothing else. Just click on OK. Now merge these 3 cells, right click, merge them and merge them, right click, merge cells, and then these two need to be merged as well. It is done. Now here I am going to type this using hyperlinks. Copy this one and just paste it here. And here they need the image as they mentioned. Add appropriate image that you have saved in step 2. So click here, insert an image from file, then go to desktop, to the folder, and this image, and then after here they need the text. This text, we just copy them and we just paste it here. Then here they need another text. This is the one, just copy and paste. And here as well, website created by, and then your name, center number and candidate number. Now what you are going to do is, first of all, change all this text to sans serif font, or you can say a font without any style, so Arial. And this one also I'm going to change it to Arial as well. So this is how it will look like. Now this one must be H1, this one, so we need to change this one to H1. Select and format H1. Then these three cells need to be changed to H3, so we'll select them till the end like that, H3, and then we'll click here and we'll change this one to H3 as well. This is how it will look like. And then after, we need to enter answer to your question number 6. So what is the answer for question number 6 here? Replace the text, enter your answer to question 6 here with the description in your own words to the function of hyperlink. That what is the function of hyperlink? This is what you have to type here. So I'm just going to say here that what is the function of an HTML hyperlink. So we'll write here, help us to navigate from one place, or you can say page, to another, and this one must be in H2. Done. And now here, step number 7, replace the text, enter your answer to question 7 here with the bulleted list in your own words of 3 or more items explaining the term relative file path or absolute file path. So we need to type that now. So in this case, we just need to say about the absolute and relative file path, that what are they. So you just need to say about it here as a bulleted list. So I will choose from here a bullet, and then I will start saying that relative path points to current folder, then relative links uploaded to server will retain the hierarchical structure and therefore it work, you can say. And then next is about absolute file path points the location points the location on a storage device. Absolute path links uploaded file or links are uploaded to server unlikely to work unless same file folder structure So that's all. And next step is that to attach the style sheet, tap 1731 to this web page. So you click on format, style sheet link, add, and then we'll go to our folder and we'll choose this file. So the link is attached. This is how now your web page will look like. And now one thing just I want to check, as a bulleted list they said no H1, no H2. Now they said a trainee has started to create a second style sheet to be added to the web page. This style sheet is not finished and contain a number of errors. So open the style sheet ST1731 in a suitable software package, and then you just the web page and style sheet must work in any browser. Use the most efficient method. All the color codes are in hexadecimal and make sure no HTML tag contains. So this is what we need to follow. We need to correct and complete the style sheet about according to this above information. So we'll click on open here, and then we'll open the style sheet here, and you see here this style sheet is totally disturbed, like that is the color codes, they are just written as blue, red, green. So we need to update this first of all. So we'll just click on this all data, we'll remove this one and we'll start creating by our own. First of all, we'll start with the table, I guess. Yes, tables width is 650 pixel. So format, style, then table, modify, format, position, and the width is 650 pixel. Click on OK. Next step is they want a dark solid 5 pixel thick border. So that is external border. So border 5 pixel and will be a solid with a dark green color. So I can choose this one, dark green. It is up to you. You can just use this one, or you can make this one, for example, 50 to become mid dark, just like that. Then click on OK. What else they have mentioned about? Yeah, so that is done. And then after you click on OK, and then just go to TD as well, modify this one as well with the same border with the 2 pixel this time, and then solid, and the color is the same as the other one, dark green. We'll choose this one, dark green. We'll change this one to 50. Click on OK. And then what else they have mentioned here? They want this one, the cell padding 6 pixel from top and bottom and 4 pixel each side. So we'll just click on padding here, top and bottom. They want us 6 pixel. So 6, and then it is 6x as well. Yeah, and then this one 4, and this one 4 as well. So click on OK, click on OK, and done. So this is what we have done. What we need to do here, we just need to type here border collapse, and then we need to write here collapse, and we'll just copy this one from here, and we'll continue this one from in the TD as well, because they have mentioned here external and internal border should be collapse. So we are done with the table. Now with H1, so what we need for H1, yeah, H1, what we need for it is to format. We just click here simply, format, style, and then we'll get HTML tags h1 here. We'll modify this one according to the font color is again dark green R and red and blue is 00. So format, then font, color of the font is here they just mention 50 for green. Click on OK, and then after 36 pixel, that is 36 pixels, and that is what they mentioned, we need Platino. Then after Times New Roman, and if it is not available, Times Font. So we need to type here, yeah, Palatino. I will choose this one, and then we'll remove this one. We'll then type here Times New Roman, otherwise Times. If it is not available, then serif font. That's what they said. Just click on OK. So we are done with this one, and now next is H2. OK, click on OK. So this is what we are done with H1 heading style. Now if you look at H2, H3 and list style, the size of the font is the same. So I'm just going to type here H2, H3, list item, and we'll type here font size. Font size we want only 16 pixels, and then just hold this one, and then H2, H3 and list item is in different alignments and shapes. So H2 they want us text, align and center. If you look at here question, so text alignment for this one, H2 is left and H3 is center. So sorry, this one is a H3 actually. Yeah, H3. We just paste it here even with the H3. Yeah, that is for H3 and that is H2. So we will write here alignment left. Yeah, and then after for list item, LI format, and then style sheet, and we'll choose here all the HTML tags, list item, define format, numbering, and we need to choose a square bullet, just like that. So this is what they need here. So we are done with it. You just make little bit gap between these two so the contents can be clearly visible, and just like that. Yes, these two are also differentiated from each other. And then they mention here that add your name, center number, candidate number as a comment at the start of the style sheet. So we just need to bring them down and up. We will write a backslash first, then a star, then your name, center number, and then candidate number, and then a star and backslash. And then we need to save this document as ST, and then after your candidate number. So file, save as, and then at the end you type your candidate number. Click on save. That is done. Now you need to attach this style sheet to your web page so that it has a higher priority than the text style sheet attached. So we just need to go to our web page, format, style sheet link, add, and then we will attach the style sheet as they mention. So this is how it will look like. It is done, and then the next step is, as you can see, the table is now at the right side, so you have nothing to do with it. Or you just click here and then go to the table properties and change this one to left. So it is like that now. And the next step is to take screenshot evidence showing the content of your style sheet. So this is your style sheet, print screen, and then just paste it as your evidence tree, and then crop the unnecessary part of the picture so that the contents can be clearly seen, just like that. And next step is display the web page in the web browser and take screenshot evidence and place this in your evidence document as well. So we'll go to our web page, file, preview in the web browser. After saving the changes, when it is previewed in the web browser, so this is how it will look like. Then just print screen, and this is your fourth evidence. Then crop it because you don't need the other things to be seen except the web browser preview. So you just make this one bigger as well. That's done. And then here you need to have, close this one, a copy of the HTML source. So here you have to click on code, Control A to select all, then Control C to copy, and then just paste it here as your markup. And that's the end of web page part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to deal with the web page. Thanks for watching, and subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.